Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, delicious curry chicken. Our ingredient consists of at least 5 candlenuts. I use approximately around 3 dry chilies and 1 fresh chili padi. You can always put more if you want spicier. And I will use 2 lemongrass. You have to chop it. And then 2 bay leaves. Around 5 slices of ginger. 1 turmeric, just 1 piece of galangal. Here I have at least around 10 Kaffir lime leaves, and then here around 2 shallots and around 5 cloves of garlic. Now we will start to put everything into the blender except the bay leaf. Now I will start to blend it. Usually I will put water instead of oil because I don't want it to lump up together. Today I will use 3 chicken chops. Here approximately around 600 grams of chicken. So right now I'm going to chop it into pieces. Doesn't matter how you cut this, just make sure it's bite-sized pieces. So right now I will start frying the curry paste. So there are water in the curry paste. It looks very watery, but don't worry, when we are frying it, it will evaporate. Right now, you can see that it has started to split. The oil is starting to split already from the paste. So you can also smell the fragrance. Turn the fire to medium heat. Do not put it too high, do not let it burn. Just be patient. Process usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes. It doesn't take long, so you have to keep an eye on it. Now you can start to smell the fragrance. So right now I will put in around a 1/4 cup of curry powder. Just use the meat curry powder, and also I will put in 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. You can get this coriander powder, alright? Continue to fry it, and don't forget our bay leaves. Put in 2 bay leaves. Now you can really smell the fragrance coming out. Around 100 ml of coconut milk. Alright, I'll start to put my chicken inside. Put in 1 cup of water. So just enough to cover the curry chicken. Alright, so now I'm going to let it simmer around 15 minutes to 20 minutes and we will come back. Alright, 15 minutes has passed. So right now we will start to season our curry. First I'll put 1 teaspoon of sugar, and also I will put in 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Okay, mix it up first. Make sure you taste it. Okay. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce is just nice. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce is just nice. I always like to use fish sauce because it has more umami than normal salt. Alright, and now we will start serving. And there you have it, a simple delicious curry chicken.